Recently we put out a post on our socials asking what you want to know about the Airfix Club. In this video we'll address all your questions and dive into the Airfix Club kit. What is the 2025 Airfix Club kit? The 2025 exclusive club kit is the Messerschmitt ME410A3 in 1/72 scale, exclusive to club members. How do I get the club kit if I live in the EU? If you're in the EU, you can still join the Airfix Club via the Rest of the World membership. Members outside the UK can still get the red box. It just needs to be purchased separately. Please check your shipping and import costs before completing your order. Can I gift a membership to someone else? Yeah, you absolutely can, although there's no official way to do this. The best way would be to purchase the club membership and put their address in the shipping information. What discounts and incentives are there for club members? As a club member, you enjoy several benefits. A 10% discount on all items at airfix.com, access to exclusive competitions and giveaways, participation in the Flying Hours programme, allowing you to collect tokens from kit purchases and redeem them for free kits. Are the magazines still available with my membership? Yes, club members receive free magazines annually. If you're in the UK, you'll get a printed copy like this, and if you're in the rest of the world, you get a digital copy. What are the differences between the two membership types? Membership benefits vary between the UK and rest of the world options. UK membership includes the Red Box Club package with the exclusive club kit, a wall calendar, a Flying Hours passport, free printed magazines, and access to the Airfix members area. Rest of the World membership provides digital copies of the free annual magazines, access to the Airfix members area, and participation in the Flying Hours programme. What exclusive competitions are available? Airfix Club members have access to exclusive giveaways and competitions, for example the current one, an Avro Lancaster B2 paired with an owner's workshop manual. How long does my membership last? Airfix Club memberships are valid for 1 year from the date of purchase, with renewal options available. How do I sign up? To join the Airfix Club, all you have to do is visit the Airfix website, pick the relevant club kit, either UK or rest of the world, add to your cart, proceed to checkout, and you're done. And if you haven't got an account, all you have to do is make one. Who is the Airfix Club for? The Airfix Club is designed for model enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned builder, the club offers resources, exclusive kits, and a community to enhance your modelling experience. Is the club kit suitable for beginners? The club kit isn't specifically designed for beginners, it's more of an advanced build, but that being said, if you've built 1 or 2 model kits and you're after a challenge, this might be a good option for you. Equally, if you're not quite ready, this can sit in your stash quite nicely, and you can utilise that 10% discount all year round and get some starter sets until you're ready to build the ME410. What makes the Airfix Club different to just buying a regular kit? Joining the Airfix Club is much more than just buying a model kit. As a club member, you get access to exclusive perks like a club exclusive kit each year, 10% off everything on the Airfix website, free Airfix Club magazines packed with behind the scenes content and features, exclusive members only content and experiences online, access to the Flying Hours scheme, which lets you earn free kits just for building. So it's more of a full experience for modelers rather than just another purchase. What are Flying Hours? So in your club kits you'll find a Flying Hours passport which looks like this, and you can use this to redeem free kits. So on top of every Airfix box is a Flying Hours token. All you do is cut that out of the box when you're finished with it, stick it in your passport, and once it's full, send it off to us, and you redeem it for a free kit. How is the club kit chosen each year? Sometimes it's a classic favourite, or it might be something recently tooled, or a new scheme option. But we're always open to suggestions, so please leave your ideas for a 2026 club kit in the comments below. How do I access members-only content? Once you're signed up, all you need to do is log onto your account on the Airfix website. From there, you'll be able to access exclusive articles, news, and special offers that are only visible to club members. It's a nice way to stay connected with the community and get a little extra insight into the world of Airfix. Why can't the club kits be in 1/48 scale? Well, actually, they can, and sometimes they are. The club kit can vary from 1/72 scale to 1/48 scale, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know what might happen. That's all the questions we got for this time, but if you have any more questions about the Airfix Club, drop them in the comments below. And we hope to see you soon enjoying your membership perks. We'll see you next time.